Hello everyone, today I will show you how to hide the bottom navigation in Gmail. If you find this useful, then please leave a like and subscribe. So first you need to go to Gmail, and let's say when you are scrolling, you always see the navigation bar at the bottom. So if you want to hide it when you scrolling, what you can do is you can go to the three bar at the top left, click on settings, and then scroll to the bottom until you find hide bottom navigation on scroll. If you have this off, you need to turn this on and then click done. So now every time when you scroll, the navigation bar will be disappear. And that is how you can hide the bottom navigations in Gmail. If you find this useful, then please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.